On the way to Nusa Penida. Now we are in Sanur Harbor to waiting departure for the boat. And there is some boat just be arriving from Nusa Penida. You see from here? They just been out there. It's quite busy, isn't it?
Langsung masuk di depan kosong Pak ya, paling depan kosong. Paling depan langsung kosong.
Nanti tak kirim videonya. Pak Aditya, Mas Aditya. Ini mau ke Nusa Penida ini. Kapan-kapan Mas Aditya juga harus ke sini ke Nusa Penida. Pantainya bagus.
Paling depan kosong.
Paling depan kosong. Ya nanti. Pakai tangan sini.
It's quite busy today. You see, there is a lot of people waiting for the departure board. Harus ke sini, soalnya bagus Nusa Penida. Rugi kalau nggak ke sini. Nanti lautnya biru. Nanti saya tunjukin videonya dan foto-fotonya. Mas Aditya. Okay, for departure board they start from 7:30 and 8:30, and some board they departure that time like about 9 o'clock in the morning. But I took 8:30 because we make a day trip in Nusa Penida, west part and east part. So just like early in the morning is better because we can reach more location to explore Nusa Penida. But today I will make video and I will show you how look like the Nusa Penida before the Christmas for sure. You see that at the front? That is like the ticket counter. If you want to buy the ticket, you can buy it right there. This is the ticket counter. But if you see the weather today, it's so beautiful. I mean, it's very clear. It will be a really good time for beach today. Okay. The boat will be departure very soon.
Mohon perhatian kepada para penumpang yang menyeberang pada resort Nusa Penida. Tiket bertuliskan Ubud Bali. Berada di depan kita. Sekali lagi kepada para penumpang bertujuan daripada Bali Nusa Penida. Tiket bertuliskan Tanis. Silakan naik ke Ubud Bali.
Boat will be departing now. Glory boat. Angel Gelabang luxury boat. There's a lot of different company around here. That's why you can choose which company do you like. But today I took Semabu Hill to make our trip to go to Nusa Penida. Makasih Mas Aditya, makasih. Maaf, bentar, Mas. Oh, sorry. Actually, there is the biggest, the highest mountain in Bali. We call Gunung Agung. Just here, here. But they ain't cloudy. It's not so clear from this time. 5 menit, kurang 5 menit lagi. Penting upload dulu, kita oleh WC. We're in a hotel, the oldest hotel in this area.
Hah? Bang Ade kok. Bulan ya? Bulan. Oh, begitu ya.